This is the Sunday Business Page with John Delano.
Good morning, I'm John Delano. Welcome to another home edition of the Sunday Business Page. And our very special guest today is Keith Whitson, who is the incoming president of the Allegheny County Bar Foundation. Keith, good to be with you. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for the invitation, John. Glad to be here.
So I think a lot of folks know that we've got some big foundations in the city of Pittsburgh and in this region, but I suspect most people don't know much about the Allegheny County Bar Foundation. What exactly is this foundation?
Well, the ACBF, the Allegheny County Bar Foundation, is the charitable arm of the Bar Association, staffed primarily by the lawyers in Allegheny County. We provide educational programming, we provide public awareness of the legal and judicial system, and we provide pro bono legal services to low-income clients, those who need legal services but can't afford them on their own.
Well, these are all important activities, and I want to ask you about the pro bono services for those who need lawyers. But I want to start with something that you've set a record this past year for a program called Attorneys Against Hunger, raising money essentially to help those in great need. Can you describe the program and what you did this year that's such a really a record for you?
Well, thank you for asking about that. Yes, this is an important program of ours. We have a committee led by Corinne McGinley-Smith and Bill Stang, and about 20 or so dedicated volunteers that work to solicit contributions for the food banks around the county. We've been doing that for over 20 years now. We had our best year yet, despite the pandemic. We raised over $146,000 this year. And over the course of its existence now, we've contributed more than $2.1 million to food banks in the county. So we're very proud of this program.
And this money, again, is coming from the attorneys right here in Allegheny County.
It's coming from attorneys. We also have some grants from several law firms. But yes, it's primarily from the legal community to help the food banks, and it's based on our generous donors.
Well, I want to compliment you on the work there. I think that's important work. It's also true, though, that a lot of folks need attorneys from time to time, and they cannot afford the very high bills that a lot of attorneys charge. So your foundation is focused on pro bono or free legal services. We only have a minute. Can you describe what that's all about?
Sure. So we believe that everyone who needs legal services, especially for basic needs, should be able to receive them. And we have developed dozens of different programs that are administered by our pro bono center, led by Bart Griffin, and volunteer attorneys who perform these services as part of these different programs. We handle no-fault divorces. We help to mediate custody disputes. We have a wills project, criminal records expungement, immigration issues, any number of areas where people, low-income individuals, may have legal needs that they cannot otherwise meet. So we solicit volunteers. We provide training to those volunteers and a network of mentors to whom the volunteer can go with questions.
Is there an income limit? Do you have to be less than a certain income level in order to access these programs?
It depends on the program, but primarily is a function of the HUD poverty guidelines, the Housing and Urban Development Federal Poverty Guidelines, a certain percentage of that amount.
And finally, Keith, if somebody wants to take advantage of free legal services from the Bar Foundation, how do they access you and your team?
Each of our different projects is listed at our website, acbf.org, or they can call the foundation with the numbers that are listed on our website as well.
Well, Keith Whitson, thank you, sir, very much for taking on the role as the new president of the Allegheny County Bar Foundation, and for all the work that you and your team does in this community. We really appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
And thank you for the opportunity to tell your viewers about it.
And thank you for watching us on this edition of the Sunday Business Page. If you have a suggestion for a guest, get in touch with me at jdelano@kdka.com. Have a great Sunday, everybody.